It's a story of two people, Medoro and Orlando, who are both soldiers and are both injured, one psychologically and one physically, as a result of the conflict. So we knew it needed to be at a time of war. There's also a character, Dorinda, who is caring for Medoro and his injuries, so it seemed that she was a nurse. And then various other elements led us towards the idea of the specific conflict being the Second World War, and ultimately decided that we were going to set it in a hospital in London on the night of the Blitz. So we have our two soldiers, we have our nurse, then we also have the character of Angelica, who both Medoro and Orlando love. And we imagined her as an American society hostess who is still in Britain at a time when America was still neutral. And then our fifth character is Zoroastro, who in the original is a magician, but he has this strong interest in Orlando's psychological state. Now, the 1930s was a period of great experimental psychology and psychiatry, so we were imagining him as a slightly nutty professor. The idea is that he's experimenting with various new forms of psychiatric treatment, which he's applying to Orlando in an attempt to cure him of his psychosis.